So just to show you, the beginning part of this has the perspective of the cylindrical shape that we've kind of done in the past. So it'll give you a little help. But using it with the shading and the graphite, a little bit of reflection. So try to do the same concept idea on here, only using a little bit of the perspective as well. So here it's a different vantage point. I'm just going to use a light colored pencil here to sketch it out as it goes. So depending on which one you use, you can set this up. Sometimes using an actual color that you're building up with. So there's the cylindrical section of it. And again, you try to set up the linear part first, and that'll get you situated. So depending on what color, so the twisting of this, you can kind of see if you use a little bit more of a geometric shapes to build it into it. You know, find that edge. And set it up there. Now I'm not going to put the end of it in because I might need some space, so I'm just going to find the white part there. It has a couple lines for the text. So I put a base line and a height line down. And again, I can use a straight edge to help me if I need to. And just use rectangular shapes to represent the lines. The serifs are there. So just kind of lightly placing it up there. And then depending on if you want to put your name or keep the actual piece, that's up to you. Keep that section going there. I'm going to go with my name there. So I'm just going to lightly section this out. And again, using rectangular shapes for the letters, so when you do the font, it makes it pretty easy. T-A-T-C-A. And then just put another section down here. And now I feel I have enough space that I can continue, because it's going to have the red bar right there, the white part. And the piece that goes over the end. So it's a good idea to really start off this part right away. So here's the roll. And it's kind of in reverse, so you're trying to draw this backwards with the serif idea. Build that up pretty good. Let's see if you can. So you can kind of see I'm just kind of doing the back negative space of this part. For that piece, so it makes it a little bit easier to illustrate. again, you can still use whatever pencil you currently have to try to shade that part in. Once you get the linear part, then it's just a dash to the color. So your photo may not have a lot of the highlights, so you might want to add that to it. And again, you can just kind of overlapping some of this red as a base color. A little bit of blue for the shadow.
It froze.
Okay. Let's try to finish this up.